gonna hurt you, little guy. Just running by. We're gonna title this video probably Swedish Nature Run. I'm gonna get some shots with the drone, and I'll probably even show some clips of the drone shots with the intro, so we'll see. Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm just gonna do a vlog about how it feels to run 12 miles. So I'm currently running and tracking all my runs, so my goal is to reach 100 miles for the second time. Yeah, it's a great app, Nike Running Club app. Not sponsored, but I do like the brand Nike. I like their shoes and I like all their products. I'm gonna set it to 12 miles. So all you do is type in the number, click set, and it locates where you're at and it keeps track of your progress. So, but let's go, let's get this run. I do not feel like doing this run, to be honest. Like, I feel very lazy. I want to do other things like eat good food or unhealthy food. But after this run, I know I'm gonna feel much better. So I encourage you all, whoever's watching this video, to just do it. Just go out there and create a goal. Set a goal, even if it's 1 mile or half a mile. Just follow through. Start small, take baby steps, and gradually increase. So running is very great for your mental health and your physical health, your cardio, your heart health, all your lungs get stronger. So it's very beneficial for you. So take baby steps and follow through your plans. So for me, like I said, I'm punishing myself, but at the same time, it's more of a reward. So the punishment is doubling up what I didn't do yesterday, so that I can reach my goal. But to be honest, I feel so good after completing a goal like 12 miles. So for me, it's more of a win-win. But it can be a punishment, because if I don't stick with my plan, I'm gonna have to run longer. And I do not like running, by the way. Running up hills, running distance, I think it's the most boring thing you can do. There's sports you can play, there's other things you can do while running. I prefer that. But for me, challenging myself by getting out of my comfort zone is a rewarding feeling. So you have to get out of your comfort zone. If you hate running and you only like lifting weights or doing sports like boxing or weightlifting, it doesn't matter. If whatever you love, you can still do all that. But find something. I encourage you all to find at least one thing that gets you out of your comfort zone and do it. So for example, mine is running. And this goes out to all you people who hate running. So this is something you can follow along with. You can follow me on Instagram. I'm posting pretty frequent there, Lawnsville. I'll post it up here, my name, on Instagram. I post a lot of reels and a lot of workout tips and videos. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna continue this journey. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so I'm getting set. I'm outside. Got my headphones ready, getting the app ready. So again, set to 12 miles. It's real windy right now, but that doesn't stop us, does it? As soon as I get on this trail, I'm gonna start the jog. Let's get the countdown. Start. 3, 2, 1. Beginning workout. That's what I hear on my headphones. Just over a mile in about 9 minutes. So just ran up a huge hill. So keep in mind, my time's gonna be slower, but it doesn't matter how slow you're going as long as you finish. Check out how nice the nature is here in Sweden. So very green during spring and summer. Although there's a lot of rain that comes with spring and summer. Actually, there's a lot of rain all year long here in Sweden. Got some sunshine today. Lucky. A lot of trails. They got different levels. They'll show you red, yellow, green. Obviously, red would be tough. Yellow would be in between. Green would be easy. I'm just mixing it up. Wherever I go, I go. I'm not really following a specific direction. I'm just running until I reach my goal. I just completed 3 miles. It took about 30 minutes. 1/4 down, 3 more to go. 12 miles today. Let's get it. Still going strong, guys. Still in second quarter. Soon after second quarter, which is 6 miles. As soon as that's done, it's halftime. So that's the second step. 2 out of 4. Currently in step 2. Slow and steady. If I go too fast, I'm gonna burn myself out. So take baby steps. I can't stress it enough. Baby steps. Take it one day at a time. I'm doing this again tomorrow and the next day. So I'm not worried about how fast I'm going. Also, I did a leg workout yesterday. So my legs are already beat. My knees are tired. So that's why I'm taking it easy. It's another reason why I'm taking it easy. Leg workout, consecutive days of running. So I'm still out here burning calories and getting my conditioning stronger. So let's keep it going, guys. Getting closer to 6 miles off trail. As you can see, uphill. Another good thing about Sweden is you won't really encounter too many dangerous insects, reptiles, or animals. I guess the 2 biggest concerns if you're out here in the woods, especially north and out of the city, is the moose and the wild boar. So this got me out of breath. Let's see what my heart rate is. Sorry for the heavy breathing. 139 heart rate, going down now. So slight incline.
My peak would be in the 180s, 90s for conditioning, but that's really good if I'm barely at 140, especially running up these big hills and over 5-6 miles, actually almost 6 miles. Just hit 6 miles now. Still going halfway, guys, 2 quarters down. We are at halftime, but we don't take no rest. We're gonna keep it going strong. Whew. Beautiful. Can't get enough of this. Check out this little bridge. I don't know where this leads, but I'm gonna follow it. Looks pretty muddy here. That's cool. Gotta be careful though. So I thought I'd show you this beautiful scenery once more as we continue. Headed to the top. Today's journey continues. Let's go. Third quarter. Going up this mountain. Non-stop. Let's go. Take a look at the view. Get all these rocks. What a nice view. Not stopping yet. Looks like I found a street. Wheels are still moving. Legs are still moving, guys. Oh, look at that. There's a pond right in front of me. Lily pads. Got some duck just hanging out. Funny little noises they make. Good day. Let's see where I'm at now. 7 miles. About. I'm not gonna lie. 6.84. And wheels are still going slow, but they're not stopping. Not gonna hurt you, little guy. Just running by. It's almost 3 quarters down. The last quarter coming up soon. 8.9. So, of course, I feel like quitting. Of course, I feel like coming up with excuses. But it's because I'm human. And it's normal to feel like quitting. But what you gotta remember is that if you really want to finish, you will. It's about how much heart, how much courage, and especially how much faith you have in yourself. So remember, we're human. It's natural to feel like quitting. All right, 3 quarters are done. Just 3 more. 3 more. The last quarter. Finish strong. Let's keep this road moving. Let's keep these wheels going. Check out this open field. So around this open field, it's a little over a mile. So all I have to do is run around this 3 times. I'm thinking. Okay guys, here we have it. 12 miles complete. As you can see,
pausing workout.
here's the details. 12 miles, 968 calories, elevation 996, average pace 10 minutes 18 seconds, total time 2 hours 3 minutes 44 seconds. All right, let's hold to
Workout
end.
completed. Time 2 hours 3 minutes 45 seconds. Distance 12 miles. Average pace 10:19 per mile.
There we go, 12 miles. Shows you the map. Shows you the weather. It's around 68 degrees. 12 miles done today. Usually do 6 miles a day, but since I took a day off, I added 2-in-1. The 2-in-1 special, I call it. So now I'm gonna see if the sky clears up a little bit. You can see the clouds kind of shifting that way. So I'm gonna try to find a nice area to take off and get some drone shots. So I am going there now. See you guys there.
Yeah.